Are you looking for a healthy and delicious brain-friendly meal? This salmon spread has got you covered. It's one of my family's favorite recipes for a quick and wholesome breakfast or lunch. In fact, it's the very recipe that changed my son's pickle dislike when he was younger. Have you ever tried a salmon spread recipe this delicious? Guess what? You're about to! Of salmon in a medium-sized bowl. I chose canned salmon for convenience, but feel free to use baked salmon if you have it on hand. Salmon is a superfood rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Did you know that salmon can boost the mood by balancing serotonin and dopamine, which are two important brain messengers? Okay, next up, let's chop some pickles and measure out 1 cup. Do you know about the gut-brain connections? Pickles contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. In turn, a healthy gut has a positive effect on mood and mental well-being. In a big bowl, let's now combine the salmon, pickles, and 4 tablespoons of mayo, making sure that everything is mixed well. Most store-bought mayos are not the healthiest. They usually have many ingredients that are not so kind for us. Homemade mayo is much healthier and tastier in my opinion. If you'd like a really good mayo recipe, drop a comment below to let me know. Next, cover the bowl with a lid and pop it in the fridge to chill. While the salmon spread is getting cool and tasty, let's chop some parsley to sprinkle on top when serving. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's packed with antioxidants that support memory and shield brain cells from free radicals. Parsley also lowers inflammation, which can boost emotional well-being. Now another exciting part, serving. Whether on crackers, toast, cucumber rounds, pita bread, baked sweet potato rounds, or bell pepper slices, the options are endless and the deliciousness knows no limits. Have you ever made salmon spread? Share in the comments your favorite add-ons. Let's all learn from each other. Are you ready to whip up another mood-boosting delight? Then let's make the only kale salad recipe you'll ever need. It's perfect for meal prep as it stays fresh in the fridge for a few days.